What is going on, my fine people? Fineline 1721 checking back in, here to give you guys another quick review. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Air Jordan slated for release July 6th. But before we get into that review, I want to take a quick look at another upcoming Jordan release. Here we have the Air Jordan Retro 11 Low Diffuse Blue Midnight Navy releasing on August 17th. This pair plus the one that we're about to review is shipping out early on Fineline1721.com, and I also have a full review live on the channel if you want to check that out. And now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the main attraction. First off, starting with the box. As you can see, we got the standard Air Jordan Retro OG High box, dressed in a navy blue colorway with kind of like a dark North Carolina blue Nike branding sitting on the top. Taking a look at the label, Women's Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, University Blue. This is a size 12 we're going to be taking a look at, which is a 10.5 in matte. Flipping the lid up, kind of like white clear paper, and on the top we got kind of like a diamond shape with two basketballs sitting on the top and the bottom, and the AJ23 sitting in the middle. Peel that paper down. Let's go ahead and get into the shoe. Now that we have these out of the box, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Air Jordan Retro 1 High OG First in Flight. Now these do come with a couple of added accessories. First accessory we're going to take a look at, we got the Air Jordan wing logo cardboard cutout, and on the back of it we have kind of like a little passage. If you want to pause it, read it yourself, here it goes. Now taking a look at the right shoe that comes inside of the box, this is where you will find the University Gold shoelaces and also the navy blue leather hang tag with the gold Nike Air branding sitting on the top. And now with all the accessories out of the way, let's go ahead and take a deeper dive into the shoe. First off, starting with that top-down view of the shoe, we got the satin filling University Blue sock liner, got the navy blue insole with the University Gold little diamond box with the AJ23 sitting on the top, got the dark navy blue tab, and we got the white First in Flight branding sitting underneath the white Nike Air. And also one thing of note, the tongue on these definitely has kind of like an aged feel or aged look to it. Now going down to the laces, as you can see, we got the extra pair of laces dressed in the University Gold. These do come from the factory dressed in the University Blue colorway. Got the soft white leather insert sitting inside of the blue suede toe box. Now going around to the lateral side of the shoe, that same thick, nice buttery leather that's on the toe box is present right here in the mid panel. And the overlays for the eyelets, the toe, Nike sign, and the collar has that nice little soft suede. And the navy blue collar overlay and the heel has a smooth leather texture to it. We got the University Gold Air Jordan 1 wing logo sitting on the back. Now as far as the materials go, Nike definitely knocked it out the park with the quality of materials, the choices of materials. It definitely gives this shoe a nice little dynamic where you have that soft tumble leather on the toe, the mid panel, nice soft suede mixed in with the smooth leather. They definitely paid attention to detail when it comes to this release. Now moving on to the midsole of the shoe. The midsole has kind of like a slight tint of sail to it, but it's not like that dark sail that we normally would get. Now going around to the heel of the shoe, no extra details, no added details on these behind the tongue or the heel. Going around to the medial side of the shoe, same exact way as the lateral, nothing different there. Now taking that last quick 360, and that about wraps it up for this quick look at the Air Jordan Retro 1 OG High First in Flight. If you are interested in this pair and you want to pick it up early, head over to the website, Fineline1721.com. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on X, both handles are the same, Fineline1721. And until the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.